Here you can see a perfect example of sweeping the trend. There were 5 different trades taken in this particular trend. On the 1 hour chart, you're looking at this thing, there's not much of a trend yet. Let me go up to the higher time frame so you can see what I was looking at. Let's go to the day chart. You can see right here I was playing this trend right here. I was trying to time a second leg. It doesn't look like it's happened yet. I did close out early simply because of the 4 hour chart. We'll talk about the actual entries here in a second. 4 hour chart, I closed everything based on the convergence you see happening right here. A little nervous about that and wanted to see that pan out first before I started looking for leg 2 on the day chart, which is what we're hoping to see eventually happen, maybe sometime this week. Most of these trades were taken off the 1 hour, and I think a couple off the lower time frames. I think 1 or 2 maybe in the 15 or 5 minutes, somewhere in there. But this one was taken, the initial entry was taken in the 1 hour chart, as well as the second entry later on that day. This first one was taken in the trading room, and a couple of other individuals traded that with me. We'll actually showcase Michael's trades as well. You get to see his. This particular trade, we will look at the 15-minute. At the time we took it, it had given us a signal that it was going to come back down again. Has changed since then, but you can see that it was below the 0 line, so that was why I jumped in on it. That's the only remnants left of why I got in. Everything else changed at that, or shortly after that. So no big deal on that. So 5-minute entry there, still in the direction of the long-term trend, right up here. And we'll come back here and we will analyze this next position. As you can see here, it was a little late on this entry, but it was down at the time. I felt it might be getting ready to break some of these fractals. It eventually did, then retraced on us. And then again right here, you can see we had the beginnings of a turn down here. Wasn't quite what I was hoping for, but I entered it based on the fact that at the time, oops, it went away. Let's see. That in the 1 minute, I had gotten this fresh cross and jumped in on the 1 minute. Based on the fact that the 5 had made this short turnaround, was trying to time the entry on that. And then finally took the close, again based on the 4 hour convergence. Closing all 5 of these trades, all of them wins. There wasn't a loss in the bunch, for a total of 225 pips. There you have it, folks. We hope to see you in the trading room and in any of the classroom sessions that we hold, and want to see you trading alongside us. This is Jed with ForexStrategySecrets.com inside the Forex Profit Classroom, signing off.